think we can get more air upstairs. What do you think? I'll follow the trunk line. It goes like this. Like this. It goes back down. And it turns and it goes down. I think we can do better. Here's some three-ton Gettle air conditioning. Gettle 1993. I think it's one that first year the Scroll came out. Serial number, yeah, around 93, 92.